What's up, guys? Rick Trader here. It is Sunday, which means it's time to prepare, not to guess. In this video, we are breaking down the Euro USD and GBP USD weekly outlook so you know exactly what to watch before the market opens. I will keep it clean, simple key levels, what happened last week, and the main scenarios for the coming days. If you're trading this week, you need a plan, and that what this video is for. Let's get straight into it.
Before we dive in, remember this price is not random, it is engineered, it is delivered by liquidity, manipulated by time, and driven by institutional oil flow. In today's weekly outlook, we are going to break down the key currency pairs, mark out high probability zones, and align everything with small money concepts, focusing on liquidity pools, market structure shifts, and this institutional footprints. There will be no indicators, no noise. It will be just simple. And everything we'll look at today is going to be aligned with the ICT principles. We are focusing on liquidity above and below keys and lows, inducement before displacement, market structure shifts on high time frames, fair value gaps, and if we use some sparring tool for impact, you know, liquidity is the real language of the market. If you are not thinking in terms of buy side and sell side pressure, you're not trading, you're guessing. The market doesn't move randomly. It moves to take you out before it moves without you. And as you know me, group trader, I don't chase moves. I just wait for the delivery. So if you are trading alongside with me, so you also need to chase the moves and wait for the delivery. So if this is small money, doesn't announce entry, the engineers them. So now let's drop into the charts, mark the high time frame narratives and map where liquidity is resting. Because that's where the real opportunity is this week. If you see the chart right now, we are on the daily time frame, and on the daily time frame, every time I talk to you guys, you know me that I only look for the fair value gaps in the daily time frames, and within a second I spot the fair value gap, and this I will be trading. I will be looking for setup that is aligned with the daily fair value gap. Who you see over here, the latest buy side liquidity has been swept this week, and this is clear. What you see is also it also becomes break of structure, and I will be looking for the market to drop down back to this key level. After dropping down to this key level, I will be looking for potential long trades and potential long trades and targeting the liquidity which is resting overhead. This will be the the buy side liquidity that's chasing this for this week. Uh, yeah, it is what it is. You see, the charts are clear. They are not complicated. There will be people saying, you have to draw the high highs, high lows. The trends are moving this way. Why you need to complicate things? Trading is already complicated, so you don't need to make it complicated. When it is already complicated, why are you making this stuff difficult for you? Just make it as simple as it is. If you make it more complicated, you use more fancy things, trust me, it will get more hard. On the Euro USD pair, I will be looking for I'm looking for longs, and if we go to the GBP USD, it's absolutely the same. I use GBP USD for SMT only to look for the SMTs. If you don't know about SMTs, I will be dropping down soon a new video uh, which is related to SMTs and how SMTs are important for placing trades. And usually, British pound, US dollar, they move the same direction with Euro USD. Not every time, but probably most of the time. And yeah, it's same. You see, here we have the daily Beverly gap, and which is on the daily time frame. Yeah, when I'm preparing the chart, I only look for the higher time frames. As long as you people are not looking for the high time frame chart, your trades can't get successful. How you can place a trade without knowing the actual direction of the markets? And if you see the market, it is with the latest buy side liquidity this week, and I will be looking for the market to drop down back to this zone, drop down back to this zone here. After that, I will be looking for potential buys. Maybe it will give me two to three setups. Yeah, and I will be fine. Even if it gives me one setup, it will be absolutely fine. You don't need to change the market, you know. You have to set up key levels. You have to wait for the market to just follow your own rules. You don't need to change every setup. You don't need to go and look after every trade. Nah, you just need to look for one trade, which is A plus, and to go for 1 to 2 or 1 to 3, not more than that. Yeah, sometimes it gives 1:7, 1:5, 1:6, but I would advise you to go for 1:2, or 1:3. Yeah, they have best win rates, and yeah, it is what it is. As you see, it's very simple. So our video will be ended here, and we're gonna meet on the next week as soon as possible. Maybe I will drop a video before the next week. I mean before the next week Sunday. And yeah, if it feels complicated to you guys, let me know in the comment section. And peace out for now.